Namaskar. We are product of nature. Whenever there is a change in nature, we have to make change accordingly. We have to respect nature. Now, summer, hot season, yoga strongly recommends that what is against heat is water. So we have to have more water into our system. For skin, to adjust skin with the external atmosphere, we have to see that we are always healthily hydrated. Plain water will not be so much interesting for us because plain water will not have minerals, vitamins. So, in this climate, we are supposed to have good amount of healthy drinks in our body. Well, so let's see how to make sattvic drinks and cope up with this heat.
As Hansaji just said, how important it is for us to keep our body hydrated in this summer. To beat the heat, I am going to share 5 cooling drink recipes with you. So the first recipe today is green minty chas. So let's quickly discuss what all ingredients we need for this. Dahi or curd, few leaves of mint or pudina. So pudina basically is used in a lot of cooling drinks. So it has natural cooling properties which will help to reduce the pitta dosha in the body. Few leaves of basil or tulsi, a small piece of ginger, 1 tablespoon of roasted cumin seeds. I've got this roasted already, and we will also need a teaspoon of black salt. We are going to need a bowl. First, we are going to take the basil leaves and the mint leaves, and I'm going to quickly wash it. After washing these leaves, I'm just going to keep it in this bowl, and then next is a small piece of ginger. Just going to chop it a little bit and put it in the same. Then I am going to take a tablespoon of roasted cumin seeds. Now we need to grind this and make a chutney out of it. So I'm just going to put all the ingredients in the grinding jar, quickly grind it in. Okay, so this is ready now. So the chutney is ready. I am just going to put the entire thing in a bigger bowl. Then let's take the most important ingredient, the curd. So I am here just trying to make the drink for one person. So however the requirement is, you can increase or decrease the quantity. Just whisk it properly, pour some water in it and add a pinch of black salt in it. The next step is that we take the nice serving glass as per your choice. Slowly pour it in your favorite serving glass. We are just going to take few leaves of mint, and the green mint chas is ready. So our second cooling drink recipe is papaya coconut drink. Let's quickly check out what all the ingredients that are required. Papaya, I've just chopped it into pieces. Fresh grated coconut, and this is rock sugar. We are going to grind it and use it. So I've already grinded it and kept here. And the last ingredient is pudina, mint leaves. So we are first going to just add all the ingredients into the grinding jar. Now this is done. We are quickly going to grind it. Let's once just check it. Okay, now it's looking really great and looks like that this is it. Let's just get everything from the grinding jar into a big vessel. Now as you need it, you can add a little bit of water in it. Just nicely whisk it to mix the water well. The next step that we have to sieve it. So let's take another bowl. Press the same. and we are just going to nicely sieve it. Keep adding water as you need. Okay, looks like it's done now. Let's take a nice serving glass from here. Just going to pour it in the same. Now comes the garnishing part. These are washed mint leaves. Place it on top of it. And here's the papaya coconut drink ready for you. The third drink is Basil Mint Chia Seed Hydrator. Let's quickly see what all are the ingredients that we need for the same. We have taken few leaves of basil here, few leaves of pudina, honey, 1 teaspoon of soaked chia seeds or sabza, and 2 slices of lemon. I have taken 1 glass of water in this vessel and get the water to boiling. Once you see that it is half boiled or kind of boiled, we are going to take few leaves of basil, few leaves of mint and put it in the vessel. Till then we can just grab a nice serving glass, and as I notice that the water is boiling with these leaves and we get a nice aroma of the leaves as well, let's sieve it directly in the serving glass. Okay, once this is done, we are going to add 3 teaspoons of honey, and 1 teaspoon of sabza or chia seeds. Like I said earlier, we have to soak it and then add. And the last step is that we just squeeze a lemon wedge in it. Just mix it well. We are going to take mint leaves just to make it look a little beautiful. And here's your basil mint chia seed hydrator ready. The fourth drink is the ultimate melon smoothie. Let's see what all ingredients do we require for this. 250 grams of musk melon, 20 grams of oats, few melon seeds. You can actually use any kind of seeds like pumpkin seeds. Also, we will need 2 wedges of lemon. We are going to take 20 grams of oats and we are going to roast it first. So, we are not going to use any oil here, which is not required. We are just going to slightly roast the oats and a 1 teaspoon of melon seeds. Let's dry roast this. We are going to grind it in a fine powder. Once this is done, and let's shift all the oats and the seeds into the grinding jar. So we're just supposed to grind this in a fine powder. Let's check how it's looking. Okay. So once the grinding is done, I'm just going to take it out in a vessel and we're going to keep this fine powder a little aside. So I'm just taking the melons into the grinding jar. Let's grind this into a nice paste. Let's check it once. Okay, this looks perfect right now. We are going to add the fine powder of the oats and the seeds into the grinding jar, into the melons. Just going to mix it, grind it one more time. Okay, just to mix it all together. Once this is done, I'm just going to check a texture of this. This is very nice, smooth. Moving to our last step, which is getting your favorite serving glass. Pour the smoothie into the glass. So now if you notice, I have not strained this because I want to retain the fibers of the melon. For garnishing, we are going to use the melon seeds. Just put them nicely on top. Also, we are going to garnish with a few little pieces. I'm just going to put it on top. To make it more beautiful, we are just going to add a lemon wedge. So here's the ultimate melon smoothie ready. The fifth drink is the red detox drink. Let's see what all are the ingredients that we need for this. 1 apple, 1 beetroot and half carrot. So I've chopped them already. Also I've taken fresh basil leaves. We are going to take the grinding jar, add the chopped apple, chopped beetroot, the chopped carrots. Let's quickly grind this. Okay. So let's add little bit of water here and give it a grind once more. Let's check how the texture is. Okay, I think it looks perfect now. We are going to add a little bit of water. Make sure you don't add a lot of water because it might just reduce the natural sweetness. So as you can see, it looks great, nice and smooth. Serving glass. And just simply pour the drink in it. The basil leaves on top of it and a little slice, and here's the red detox drink ready. Now that we have prepared all these 5 drinks, I would like to invite Hansaji to taste them and also let you know the health benefits of them. Namaste Ma, welcome.
Namaste. I can see you have prepared lovely things.
Yes Ma.
Come on, tell me, what is it?
Let's start with the first one. So
Uh-huh.
this is a drink from basil leaves and mint leaves plus chia seeds.
Oh, you have added chia seeds also.
Yes,
Yes, I can
yes.
see that.
Yes.
Definitely. This is such a tasty thing, so light, so good, and yet it gives you good amount of benefit. This chia seed has added more nutrition into the whole thing. Beautiful. Show me another.
Moving further, this is papaya
I can
and
see that.
coconut drink.
Very fine. I mean, coconut you have grated so well
Yes.
that it goes so smoothly.
Right.
Wonderful. It has such a nice lingering taste and it is very self-sufficient. You don't need more to eat.
Moving to the third one, as you always suggest, green minty chas.
Charge.
Yes.
Perfect. Minty charge. What are you adding here? Mint and charge.
Yes.
Very tasty. Very tasty. Actually, at lunch time, you can just have this or just little salad and this and that would be the perfect lunch for people. You have to eat really little and you drink such things, that would be very good. Now
And
tell
the
me
next
another.
one is, we are calling this one
Oh.
ultimate melon smoothie.
You have put it also so good, so nicely. Very tasty,
Yeah.
very tasty. Yeah, in this climate, melons are available. It's a seasonal fruit. It would really satiate your hunger. Definitely try this. This is again a meal by itself. This could be the drink.
And we have the last one. We are calling this beautiful one as a red detox drink with apples, beetroots.
Very fine. And you call it detox?
Red detox drink.
Very fine. It would be giving you even iron, because in hot climate deficiency of iron occurs. Lots of sweat, hot flushes. So all these things really benefit everybody in a hot climate. So try it out.
So try out these recipes and share with your loved ones. And once you upload it on social media, don't forget to tag us. Namaste.